Hey there, fellow home cooks! If you're on the hunt for that one chicken dish your family will literally beg for week after week, you just hit the jackpot. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on my family's most requested dinner, tender chicken and creamy paprika sauce. And guess what? It's ready in just 30 minutes and every bite will have your crew coming back for seconds. All right, let's talk ingredients. You'll need half a kilo of boneless chicken, breast or thighs, whichever you prefer, cut into nice juicy chunks. Season it up with salt, pepper, and a big old teaspoon of paprika. I love smoked paprika for that warm, cozy flavor, but regular works just fine too. Grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter for cooking. For the sauce, you want 1 finely chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, don't skimp on the garlic, trust me, another hit of paprika, half a cup of chicken broth, and half a cup of heavy cream or sour cream if you like things extra tangy. If you're feeling fancy, toss in a teaspoon of mustard. And of course, a little fresh parsley for that finishing touch. Now let's get cooking. First, season your chicken chunks with that salt, pepper, and paprika combo. Heat up your skillet over medium-high and add your oil. Sear the chicken on both sides until it's golden and just cook through. It should smell amazing at this point. Take the chicken out and set it aside for a second. In that same pan, toss in your onion and let it soften for a few minutes. Add the garlic and paprika and give it a quick stir, just until you can smell that rich, smoky aroma wafting up. Now pour in your chicken broth and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Time for the heavy cream or sour cream. Whisk it right in and add that mustard if you're using it. Let the sauce bubble gently until it thickens up a bit. Slide your chicken right back into that luscious sauce. Let it all simmer together for 5 to 7 minutes so the chicken soaks up all those flavors and gets super tender. Spoon that creamy paprika-kissed sauce all over the chicken. Seriously, just look at it. Now, my favorite part, serving it up. I love this dish with a mountain of mashed potatoes, but it's just as dreamy with pasta, rice, or even a warm piece of flatbread for scooping up every last drop. Just sprinkle on some fresh parsley, and you've got yourself a dinner that's cozy, comforting, and totally crave-worthy. Pro tip: if your kids are picky about spice, use sweet paprika for a milder taste. But if you love bold flavors like I do, smoked paprika takes this dish to the next level. So if you make this once, be prepared. Your family will ask for it every single week. I hope you loved hanging out with me today and picked up a new favorite for your dinner rotation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another cozy, family-friendly recipe. See you next time, and happy cooking!